Alrighty.
Supra GR.
Yep.
I saw the Supra. I wasn't even thinking of maybe doing the Supra.
No, good choice. No, this is our drift Supra. This is made for drifting. The other one, the white one, is not. So people usually do that as a warm-up lap before they do like a race car or something, just to learn the track.
Oh, gotcha.
Yes, sir, yeah. Alrighty, let's do this. It's gonna be a lot of fun, man. Let me get the AC. Let me get a little hot.
So like, yeah, I get to fuck around finally. I get to drive.
No, I mean it is fun, but it gets, you know, you also have to take care of the tires because we only have so many tires per day.
Oh.
So so now you're done drifting too. So it's
nice.
Literally goes against everything we teach.
Yeah. But yet, you know, it's still.
But it's a very loose car. We make this loose and cambered, so it is easier to flick out.
Oh, gotcha.
Because these cars, all these other cars would understeer. Right when you come into the entry of the drift, they would all just go, brrr, you know.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, good stuff.
Nice.
Oh, I can't wait for tomorrow. That's gonna be fun.
Yeah, me too.
You're gonna see what